wouldn't believe it, but with fennels you can actually make a great side dish. Let's see the ingredients for 4 people.
You know we got what you need.
Pan-Cooked Fennels, Finocchi in Padella. Garlic, 3 cloves. Rosemary, 3 sprigs. Olive oil, 5 tablespoons plus 50 grams of butter. 6 anchovies, 2 fresh fennels, a pinch of pepper, and finally some grated Pecorino Romano. Let's not forget half a cup or 2 of white wine, Chardonnay of Sauvignon Blanc. I only had some Pinot Grigio. Starting with 5 spoons of olive oil and optional but recommended 15 grams of butter. I had to skip the butter due to some vegetarian guests. Crush the garlic with the skin and make a cut in the middle, followed by 6 anchovies and the rosemary. Turn the heat on medium-high and smash the anchovies into a paste. Then add half a cup of wine and some pepper and keep smashing the anchovies. When the wine evaporates almost completely, turn the heat off and discard the rosemary sprigs and any trace of garlic. It's now the time to chop the fennels, remove the green parts and slice a bit the backside. Then cut the fennel in 4 parts. Remove the hard part. Then cut slices half a centimeter thick.
Let's take it real soon.
Repeat the same procedure with the other fennel.
I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on.
Turn the heat on high. Drop the sliced fennels in the pan, then cover it up.
Wow! Come on, and move along.
After about 6 minutes, add the other half a cup of wine to the pan and mix it a bit.
Oh, honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it.
Another 6 minutes, add some water, mix it a bit, but this time don't put the lid back and keep the heat on high.
You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, you gotta feel it.
When the water has evaporated, cook it for another minute or 2 and turn the heat off. We're almost there. Let's give it the final touch with some grated Pecorino Romano. Your pan-cooked fennels are ready. Look at this.
It's time. Look at this. A piece of advice. Leave it there for 5 minutes so the pecorino can actually melt a little bit. Look, it's not super tasty, but it's really great. Pecorino Romano is making the difference. Oh. So, don't forget to subscribe.